What is Deepseek AI? In this video, I'm going to go over an overview and just compare it to the top AI software at the moment, which is OpenAI, aka ChatGPT. Just be doing a brief analyzing on why it's breaking out right now and why it's potentially better, because honestly, I think it might be better. You'll see why. I'm going to list the 5 major differences, and the first one is OpenAI is extremely overvalued. Now, it is behind like a paywall subscription if you do want the best of the AI. Well, Deepseek, on the other hand, is completely free. It does not cost any money, which is a major upside for it and why it's blown up in such recent times. Now, lately, AI has been the dominant AI software and has kind of been gatekept in the US. Now, keep in mind, China was the company that launched Deepseek AI, and China has been on the rise for when it comes to like just technology, and they're pretty much on top of everything, which brings me to my second major point, how LLMs have become a lot more cheaper over recent times. Now, if you don't know what an LLM is, it's basically a large language model, which is how that the AI actually acts like it is a human, like how it writes pretending it's a human. And basically what Deepseek AI is, it's done the equivalent or almost better than OpenAI, keeping the price down low. They're not keeping it behind a paid gated community such as OpenAI was doing. And as you can see, we've also got the AI arms race. And what this basically is AI has been such on the rise recently that there's so many companies in so many countries trying to dominate for first place. So this was China's attempt, and it is really working really well. Get in the lead and to force AI to make a move. This is their stand apart move when it comes to OpenAI. It's really the pricing at the end of the day. And Deepseek is also, it's not only just smarter, but it is trained a lot cheaper than OpenAI. Even though it is currently pretty expensive to operate, like they're currently losing money on Deepseek AI just because it's free. They're basically banking that this will change in the future and that it will be a lot easier for them to just like, you know, be on top and continue profiting. And yeah, like I've been saying, it is also a threat to paid AIs like OpenAI, Anthropic, and a lot of AI other companies out there. As you can see, AI is advancing extremely fast, and in 3 years, we don't know exactly where it's going to be, but there's a lot of just major moves being made right now. So I've actually found some news sources on this AI, and basically models continue to get more efficient and less expensive just as time goes on. So OpenAI is definitely not going to be on the top. And also, if you know any other major difference, please let me know in the comments. I'm really curious, and let me know if there are any other AI softwares that like are advanced